What I'd like to say to our patients that we've had through our program is I'm so proud of you. I know that we talk about this in our class, that the surgery is a tool to help you with your weight loss and fighting your comorbidities. But the blood, sweat, and tears, as you well know, are things that you have to do. And so you guys have done such a great job.
To our current patients, I'd love to say that you're crushing it. Despite this time in our history, you are doing amazing, and I'm so proud of each and every one of you.
So, yeah, I want to just say congratulations to all of our patients who have been putting in such time and effort and energy into making these amazing changes, and it's awesome to see just all the progress that you're all making, and I just would say continue to push through.
Each patient, each story, each moral victory, each loss that we hear about and process each and every day is a wonderful experience.
We're always going to be here to support you guys. You know, you're winning every day that you try to make sustainable change. So just keep it up. Congratulations. Super proud of you guys.
Keep the faith. Don't give up. You're going to make it.
It's very little our part and very much your part and the effort that you put into it. So I would say you should be very proud of the work you've done, and these changes are going to be lifelong changes, not just for yourself, but for your family.